Get it? Because shrimp are very self-centered. Okay, back to the script.
Here's a piece of candy.
Yay, I love candy! Cat, international spy. It's not real.
Auditioning next?
Maybe.
Because I've been waiting for like 40 minutes and
Okay, take care now.
You're so good with people.
Told you a billion times never to wake me up when I'm sleeping. Why is your freak show brother recording this?
So I can put this video on the slap.
What video?
Me telling you a funny joke.
No!
Pleasey.
Okay, just get it over with.
Knock knock.
I'm in.
No. Cut. Knock knock.
Why is your brother wearing my bra?
Cut. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Purple bathtub.
I hope a purple bathtub falls off a building and lands on you.
Cut. Knock knock.
Your brother's drooling.
Oh, will you please get a rag and wipe that off your chin?
Knock knock.
That's my part.
we won because we rock.
Yeah, don't believe everything your daddy says.
Like when he tells you you're pretty.
I don't need nobody. I don't need nobody.
Hey, Kat, what's wrong with you? I wish I knew.
I would do it, push button, pull the trigger, go mountain, jump off a cliff, 'cause you know, baby, I love you, a little bit. I would do it, I would say it.
I like Japan. Except my brother got stabbed there. It was an accident. He's better now.
Oh, I like that show.
I used to watch reruns of it with my brother when he was in the special hospital where they used to handcuff him to his bed. My brother got shot by a clown.
Why?
Because my brother kept poking him and saying, "What you gonna do about it, clown? Huh?" It happened on a bus.
Cat?
One time my brother found a vacuum cleaner in our church basement. He took it home and now he keeps it in his room.
You should call the church and tell him he has it.
Oh, they wouldn't want to. I get nervous when my brother eats things that aren't food. Seriously, I think he ate my charm bracelet. Oh, it's my brother.
Did he give you the stuff?
Yeah, he says he got you the clown costume, the power drill, and 12 gallons of blood.
Wow. Where do you find 12 gallons of fake blood?
You wanted fake blood? I'll call my brother. One time, my brother was in Vegas and he fell out of a 4th-story hotel window and landed on the roof of a shuttle bus.
And he was okay?
No.
Well, but he's okay now?
No. He seriously messed up. One time, my brother was in a parade, but he was inappropriate, so the parade people called the police, and now he's not allowed to be in parades. Or be near horses.
It's just this little.
Why did you do that to your hair?
What, you mean the color?
Do you hate your mother? She's your girlfriend? No. Good, you can do better. Ah, why'd you bring that one?
Ain't she good?
So you don't end up with one of those.
Makeup time! Hey, Kat.
Baby, by me, baby, be a